Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about 4 small cap stocks from Radhakishan Damani's portfolio for the year 2019. Now friends, we have decided to demarcate the videos on Radhakishan Damani's portfolio by market capitalization due to the large number of stocks in his portfolio. Also friends, we have recently started offering channel memberships, which is a way for you to go ahead and show your support and love for our channel. Please go ahead and click on the blue join button below and follow the steps to become channel members. This will entitle you to member-only privileges on Profit and Equities. Please watch this video to know more about these stocks. Now the first stock on the list is Advani Hotels and Resorts India Limited, which is available at ₹68 and the face value for it is 2. The holding for Radhakishan Damani in this particular company stands at 4.18%. The symbol for it is ADVANIHOTR. Now Advani Hotels and Resorts India Limited is engaged in the hotel business. The company is engaged in short-term accommodation activities and also restaurants and mobile food service activities. The company is also engaged in owning and operating the 5-star deluxe resort Ramada Caravella Beach Resort in Goa. Now, as is evident from the one-year chart, this company has been choppy throughout the entire year. However, it could well be on the verge of forming a very strong technical chart pattern known as the cup and handle pattern. Now, the company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 314.29 crores. The EPS of 1.89 translates into a very cheap price to earnings ratio of 35.98 when compared with the industry PE of 69. The price to book ratio of 6.60 is however a bit on the higher side. The company has a dividend yield of 1.03%, whereas the promoter holding for this company is just about average at 50.17%. Also, none of the promoters holding is pledged. The total debt on the books of 5.6893 crores is also not very high for a hotel stock. Now the second stock on the list is TV Today Network Limited, which is available at ₹314.40 and the face value for it is 5. The holding for Radhakishan Damani in this particular company stands at 1.50%. The symbol for it is TVTODAY. Now TV Today Network Limited is a holding company engaged in television programming and broadcasting activities. The company operates in various markets such as television, digital media and radio. Now, as is evident from the one-year chart, this company has been on a downtrend and a lot of wealth has been eroded here. The market cap of the company is 1875.75 crores, which means that the company is a small cap one. The EPS of 23.85 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 13.18, which is dirt cheap when compared with the industry PE of 26.42. The price to book ratio of 2.60 is also on the cheaper side. The company has a dividend yield of 0.72%, whereas the promoter holding for this company is just above average at 57.52%. Also, none of the promoters holding is pledged. Now, the third stock on the list is Taj GVK Hotels and Resorts Limited, which is available at ₹227.90 and the face value for it is 2. The holding for Radhakishan Damani in this particular company stands at 2.38%. The symbol for it is TAJGVK. Now, Taj GVK Hotels and Resorts Limited is engaged in the business of owning, operating and managing hotels, palaces and resorts with brand name of Taj. The company's business activities include the operation of rooms, restaurants and bars, banquets and others. Its properties include Taj Krishna, Taj Banjara, Taj Deccan, Vivanta by Taj, Taj Chandigarh, Taj Clubhouse and Taj Santa Cruz. Now, as is evident from the one-year chart, this company went on a downtrend for the first few months of the year, but of late there has been a huge spike. The market cap of the company is 1428.97 crores, which means that this company is again a small cap one. The EPS of 3.42 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 66.64, which is largely in line with the industry PE of 69. The price to book ratio of 3.75, however, is not very expensive for a hotel stock. The company has a dividend yield of 0.26%, whereas the promoter holding for this company is a very strong number and stands at 74.99%. Also, none of the promoters holding is pledged. One concerning factor, however, is the high debt of 229.40 crores on its books. Now, the final stock on the list is Sundaram Finance Holdings Limited, which is available at ₹83.95 and the face value for it is 5. The holding for Radhakishan Damani in this particular company stands at 1.74%. The symbol for it is SUNDARMHLD. Now, Sundaram Finance Holdings Limited is an India-based company that provides financial services. The primary business of this company is to make investments of all types and engage in business processing and support services. It is also involved in training services. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, this company has also not done much and has been an underperformer throughout the entire year. The market cap of the company is 1268.52 crores, which means that this stock is also a small cap one. The EPS of 4.48 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 18.74, which is very cheap when compared with the industry PE of 39.27. The price to book ratio of 3.89, however, is a bit on the high side. The company has a dividend yield of 1.79%, which is decent, whereas the promoter holding is just above average at 53.33%. Also, none of the promoters' holding is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider these to be recommendations on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Also friends, if you are benefited by the content on our channel, please don't forget to like these videos, share these videos, and also click on the red subscribe button below to get subscribed to this channel, which will enable you to get the fastest updates whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching and you have a great weekend ahead.